I feel like she might be an agility barker.
Well, maybe not. No, maybe it's just...
She's pretty vocal.
She's real vocal.
Okay. Huh.
Sorry, I gotta get back.
I've got a plastic bag. We're going to be back in just a second. Settle down, Flynn.
Have fun, policeman.
All right, let's go, Jordan.
All right, I think we're so
Hey, thanks for playing with me.
Nice to see you.
Yeah, good to see
Hope
you.
your rest of your weekend goes well. See you later.
All right.
Okay, let's go.
It's like we were just